Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Cyborg Legends. This is an absolutely brilliant game. This is a play-to-earn NFT-based roleplay game with auto battles. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing in. Do not invest more than willing to lose. Now, with that said, let's get right into the video. I'm going to go in great detail and show you the breakdown of this absolutely brilliant role to play game. We're going to talk about their store, their marketplace, their tavern, their mint now, and the most important thing is their Discord. Guys, in every single video I make, I mention this, that you gotta join the Discord. If you want to get reliable information, you gotta join their Discords and follow them on Twitter, and you can connect your wallet from here. Now, the first impression that you get about this absolutely amazing game is the characters. Now, this is an NFT based RPG auto battle, so meaning that you will own these characters. Now, there's a very important aspect to this, which you can start minting these NFTs right now, and with the NFTs you own the NFTs, so basically they're an asset for you which you can actually sell and make money, and you can use that asset to actually earn by playing this game. Whereon you can play this game on any device, and the Cyborg Legend brings you a collection of 20,000 unique characters as NFTs on the blockchain that you can play in the game to help protect the cyber earth against evil androids. People who have grown tired of endless grind and hitting buttons for hours just to progress a little. In our auto battle game, you can hit the button once only when it matters. Now, by just looking at it, the characters that they've developed, the artistic approach that they've brought is absolutely brilliant. If anyone's been playing Mortal Kombat and Street Fighter, you can just sense the amount of creativity that they've brought. There's 8 playable clan, each with its own fighting styles and weapons brought to life through their role-playing game with multi-PvE modes and multi-PvP modes and passive rewards. You can use strategy to build your teams and take advantage of synergy and Tyrann buffs. Now, you can watch the trailer over here, and the trailer is absolutely brilliant. The way they have brought everything together is absolutely amazing. And you can start minting now with the playable NFT characters. You got the human. The humans are the race responsible for the terrible decades of conflict that have killed millions and almost destroyed the planet in trying to tackle the climate crisis. They created a powerful artificial intelligence and a workforce of androids that ultimately turned against them. Humans possess a united sense of purpose to fight the androids, and this is obviously based on the human mankind as we know it. And they're happy to form a temporary alliance, but are always suspicious of the orcs and the dark elves and the very fearful demons and the undead. The new humans have embraced ancient forms of combat and chivalry with their preferred ornaments in sword and shield, providing an invaluable blend of defensive and offensive capabilities. This combination is studied and perfected by the human warriors. So this is an NFT that you can get. You can also get a different NFT, which is the High Elves. The High Elves are a long-lived, athletic, and noble clan. Physically, most possess delicate features, pointed ears, and long flowing hair. As with all races, the result of wartime experimentation carried out by the androids. Even further, you can actually get the Tyrann. Created as a result of the android experiment, these creatures combine the thinking brain with a powerful, flexible body that can easily disguise itself and dominate within the forest locations. On top of that, you can get the demon, which is a unique among the 8 clans. The demons are the only beings not to have originated on Earth. They appeared relatively recently in the final moments of the war between the humans and the androids as a result of rift in the space and time continuum. Even further, you can get the dwarfs in a common with their legendary cousins. The dwarves are capable miners who tend to dwell in mountain areas or beneath the ground. So you can just see the amount of NFTs that you have in each of this unique NFT you can own. And by owning it, you have a very own character, and you own each character, and no one can take that back from you, not even the Cyborg Legends. I'm going to put the domain for the Cyborg Legends in the description below, and you can go check it out from there. And your character will have up to 4 skill slots depending on their tire. Now, as I further go down, the unique looking handmade NFTs designed using rigorous rules to ensure each character is one of a kind. The maximum tier character ascended will be animated artwork. You can see the preview on the right. As you can see, the demon, the way they've created this 3D absolute absolutely amazing animated artwork, which gives a very unique privilege for anyone that holds this absolutely brilliant NFT, and the unique gameplay mechanism. Each character will have up to 4 skill slots, with each slot filled randomly from several pools of skill. Common is no skill. Rare, 1 new random clan skill is unlocked from 10 available skills per clan. The epic is 1 random passive skill is unlocked from 24 available skills, and legendary is 1 random attack skill unlocked from 24 available skills, and the ascendant is 1 random skill from 10 possible skills. And obviously this is what makes it absolutely amazing. With the upgradable character, you can combine characters to prove their combat power and to unlock multiple skill slots. The common obviously is no skill slot, with rare 1 skill slot, epic 2 skill slots, legendary 3, and ascended 4 skill slots. And it's free to play and play to earn. Players driven economy. You decide how valuable each NFT can actually become, and ways to earn fuel in-game currency. You create an account and log in daily, share your game on your social media pages on Facebook and Twitter, and refer other players. Complete in-game achievements, subscribe to the Facebook and YouTube page, complete their service, participate in free giveaways on their social media channels, and win practice matches. And obviously, way to earn blockchain token is to win PvE games and P versus P battles, and win guild battles, own land and planets, own a character belonging to a victorious clan in the monthly war, and send your characters on expeditions. Rent out your characters to other players. There's another passive way to make money by playing this game. So you have an NFT, you can rent your characters, you can sell your characters, and you can earn by playing this game. So it's free to play and play to earn, and each podium position in any tournament. Now, new players will receive 1 free shadow character upon account creation, which can be upgraded to help them in P versus V. Up to 3 such characters can be unlocked per account, and the revenue share is absolutely amazing. With passive income you can earn by owning land plans, by renting out your characters, or by sending that character on expedition, and you can earn by referring a friend. Each cryptocurrency is referring users who buy mystery boxes earn tokens by referring active players, and active income can be earned by the tokens by participating in the P versus E, by participating with player versus player, and by winning tournaments. Now, the future of the game is the most important thing. In any traditional game, people invest a lot of money into assets. They cannot actually do anything to earn back the money that they've spent if they want to take back a break from the game. But with this, you can get true ownership of your items. You can sell your items on the marketplace without ever getting your account banned, unlike it happens with most multiplayer games, because it just breaks their terms of service when selling stuff for real money. And owning the NFT character in their metaverse grants you all the commercial rights to the character, which is absolutely amazing. And you can turn your gaming passion into real money. You can explore their multiverse, have fun in it, and make money while doing it. And if you ever decide to dedicate yourself to another real life activity, you can always sell your assets onto the marketplace to get your investment back, or even make a profit. With traditional games, stepping out of the game meant losing all your assets for each player spent time or real money. But with this amazing Cyborg Legends, this is a chance of a lifetime where you can play to earn, and you can get an NFT which you hold. So you can invest early and gain benefits with starter mystery boxes at $42, with advanced mystery boxes at $140, and VIP mystery boxes at $4,187. Now there's a discount and a sale on it, which you can read more about. And most exciting coming soon feature is going to be the first NFT collection is going to be in December with 20,000 male characters, and the second NFT is going to be February with female characters. You can travel through planets and get NFT equipments and NFT lands. Guys, this is an absolutely brilliant game, and their roadmap is absolutely amazing. They've gone into great detail, and that is what makes this NFT, this play to earn game, so amazing. And their team are individuals who are crypto investors, marketing directors, blockchain and developers, and they're available on LinkedIn as well. And obviously, for any amazing game to be great, you need to have a strong team, and these guys have got the team. They've got the experience on their side. They've put a brilliant strategy, and obviously with a brilliant strategy comes success. So I personally believe this is going to be absolutely brilliant. And in the end, you can buy them on OpenSea as well, which they're available out there. You can trade on NFT Trade as well. And I'm going to put the link of this absolutely amazing play to earn game in my description of this video. You can go check it out. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of my new videos that are coming up. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.